It's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a short drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Snake, because yes you can draw a snake, and today I'm going to show you how in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'll be using my dry erase marker. If you're ready to get started, so am I. Let's begin. The first thing you're going to do is right in the middle of your board, you're going to make a number 2 with kind of a long tail. Easy, right? You guys have been practicing making number 2s. You got this. Then up at the top, you're going to loop it in just a little bit, and then you're going to follow your 2 all the way around and make kind of a big fat 2. And then under this, you're going to make a long oval. All right? So you got your basic snake body right there. What we're going to do back here is we're going to make a tall, skinny triangle. That's going to be your snake's tail, the very end of its tail. And now really all we have left to do is make a face. So up at the top of your 2, you're going to make 2 circles, kind of close together. And go ahead and give it some pupils. It can be looking wherever you want it to be looking. And we're going to put 2 little dots right under those eyes, some little breathing holes. And we're going to make a long, skinny M. That's going to be our snake's tongue. And last but certainly not least, for those of you who've been doing drawing videos with me before, you know that anytime I spend drawing with you is a happy time, and I'm going to give my snake a very happy little smile. And there you have it, folks. That is a basic snake. Now you could go through and you can add some patterns or some designs. You might want some polka dots or some diamonds. It really is up to you to decorate your snake in whichever way you want. Maybe you can try drawing that 2 backwards and make your snake looking the other way. Maybe you could make your snake bigger. Maybe you could add another long oval and make it an extra long snake. It really is up to you, and I hope that you try this snake on your own and really experiment with making that snake exactly what you want it to be. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the page and click the bell so you get notifications when there's future cool content. I hope you had fun drawing with me. I know I had fun drawing with you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.